Logging into your Messenger account on mobile is a straightforward process that allows you to stay connected with friends and family. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of logging into your Messenger account on your Android or your iOS device. So guys, just make sure you hang on to the end of this video. The first step you have to take is to open up your Messenger app. So you have to find your Messenger app in your home screen of your phone. So let me scroll now to tap on the Messenger app real quick. Right here guys, can see the Messenger app is opening up. So guys, once your Messenger app opens up, what you have to do now is to log in. So you can either log in using your Facebook account or using your Messenger login details. You can see right here, if you're a new user of Messenger, you will see the option to log in or to continue with Facebook. So you tap on the option that applies to you. So if you choose to log in with your Facebook account, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook login credentials. But if you choose to log in without your Facebook, you have to enter your phone number or email address associated with your Messenger account. So if you're in that category, if you're a new user of Messenger, then you have to tap on where you can see use another account. So let me tap on it. So what you can do is to tap on where you can see create new account. They can be able to create a Messenger account, or you can log in with your details, your Messenger details, your phone number, your email address and password. But if you want to use your, let me go back, if you want to use your Facebook account, then you have to select the Facebook accounts that you have here. You can see I have 3 appearing here. So let me tap on one of them. Let me tap on the third one. You can see guys, I've chosen it. It's now loading. Right here guys, can see what's written there. It says saving login info. So guys, let me tap on save. They said I should create a pin. They said end-to-end encrypted message are backed up in secure storage, so you can restore them on any device with a pin. You can turn this off at any time in settings. Let me skip this. Let me skip it. They said restore chats with a pin. Your pin lets you easily restore chats if you use another device or replace this one. Let me tap on create pin. Then let me input my pin right away. I think this is a very important step. Then let me input it again. Right there guys, can see is authenticating the password. You can see they said find your phone contacts on Messenger. Not now. Let me tap on not now. I don't want to link it. Right here guys, can see now I've been able now to log into my Messenger account. You can see what's written here. It says allow Messenger to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. You can see right here guys, I've been able now to log into my Messenger app. Now I can now chat with friends and family and connect with them. So guys, nowadays I can easily log into your Messenger account either by using your Facebook account or your phone number or email address associated with your Messenger app. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.